All right, we've got the answers for Wednesday's starters. So we've got Richard's office recycled a total of 6.34 kilograms of paper over 2 weeks. After 3 weeks, how many kilograms of paper will Richard's office will have recycled? And we are assuming that we have a proportion. When it says it's directly proportional, that's what that means. So we can write our proportion where we have 6.34 kilometers, and that's in 2 weeks. So we want to know how many, that's our X, that's the thing that we don't know, kilograms in 3 weeks. And just remember, if you've got kilograms on top on one side of the equation, you have to have it on top on the other side, and weeks are on the bottom. Then we do 6 and 34 hundredths times 3, which is 19 and 2 hundredths. And then we've got 2 times X, which is 2X. And then after we've got that equation, we're just solving the equation. So we're dividing by 2. Dividing by 2. So we have 19 and 2 hundredths divided by 2. And that is, I'm running out of room, 9 and 51 hundredths. And then 2 divided by 2 is just 1x. So our x is 9 and 51 hundredths, and that's the number of kilograms. Or you could do 6 and 34 hundredths kilograms in 2 weeks. You can get a unit rate of 1 week. So we're dividing by 2. If we have 6 and 34 hundredths divided by 2, that's going to give us 3 and 17 hundredths kilograms per week. And then if I have 3 weeks, I'm going to have to take that 3 and 17 hundredths, and I'm going to have to multiply it by 3 so that I get that 9 and 51 hundredths. You don't have to solve this both ways, but you can either solve it with a proportion, or you can get a unit rate and then multiply that unit rate times the number of weeks. I think proportions are easier, but you do whatever's easier for you. Brody earned a total of $2.64 by selling 3 cups of lemonade. After selling a total of 19 cups of lemonade, we want to know how much money Brody will have. And it says, assume that the relationship is directly proportional. So that means we can set up a proportion. So we have that $2.64, and that's for 3 cups of lemonade. And after we sell 19 cups, so that has to go on the bottom. If you have cups on the bottom on this side, you have to have cups on the bottom on this side. We want to know how much money that is, so we make that our X. That's the thing that we don't know. Then we do 19 times $2.64. Multiply those two, and that is $50.16. And then 3 times X is 3X. And remember that C was just cups. That's not a variable. It's just cups. So then we've got $50.16 is equal to 3 X's. To figure out what 1X is, we split that equation. We divide by 3 because that's the number that's with our variable. And we've got $50.16 divided by 3. I'm going to write it over here, is $16.72. 3 divided by 3 is just 1X. So that means that we would make $16.72 after we sell 19 cups. And again, you could do the unit rate. You could have $2.64 for 3 cups. So unit rate means figure out how much it is for 1 cup. So we would do that 3 cups divided by 3 cups to give us 1. And $2.64 divided by 3 is 88 cents for 1 cup. So then if I have 19 cups, I would have to do 88 cents times 19. And if I do 88 cents times 19, I still get that $16.72. So either way, whether you find a unit rate or whether you do the proportion, for 19 cups is $16.72.